Guess what, family? It's about that time. Good morning, Loyalty Squad. It's the VelvetLox coming back to you again early in the morning with another video. Now in this video today, I'm going to be doing something that I normally only do maybe once a year, and that's deep clean my locks. Now today I have to recolor my hair and zhuzh it up because it's dull. It's really dull in color. It's not as vibrant as I would like it to look. And yeah, okay, I'm trying to zhuzh it up. So what I do before coloring my hair, at least I try to do this once a year, is get in really deep into my locks to get all of the built up oil, dirts, and whatever other kind of things I might have put on my hair throughout the year to get it out. Okay, whatever is deeply embedded in these locks, I'm getting it out today. The things that I use to do that normally takes the color out. So that's why I like to recolor my hair after doing this. Early in the morning, everybody's still asleep, and I'm gonna try to do this because I got a very eventful day coming today. All right, so let's get started. Now I am in the kitchen and I'm going to show you what I use to deep condition my locks. The first thing I use is this apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is good for cleaning your scalp, getting all of the toxins and pollutants off of your scalp, all of that built up grease and dirt or whatever you may have on there. If you've been putting beeswax in your hair, this will help to break it down. Now, beeswax is very hard to get out of your locks, so try never to use any products that has beeswax in it. But this is one of the things that I use to break down all of the elements that I've been putting in my hair. Another ingredient that is very important to this is your baking soda. Now, baking soda is also good. It gives a deep cleaning effect, and it's good for cleaning out your locks. If you have some lemon, you can also use some lemon juice in this concoction, but today I'm not going to be using the lemon juice. Now what I normally do is I get me a nice big pan and I fill it with water. Next, I'm just going to put in about a cup of my apple cider vinegar. And I'm going to sprinkle in about a teaspoon or about a tablespoon of my baking soda. And just give that a nice little swirl. Okay? Okay, so as you can see, the water is kind of dirty. Alright, so what I'm going to do is pour this off and do it again. Now this time it actually fizzled. And you just work it all the way through your locks, all the way down the shaft to the ends. But what I like to do is I like to squeeze out my locks going down, so whatever oils is coming out of it, Now you notice I squeeze my locks. I don't wring my locks because you can actually weaken your locks if you wring them out. So never wring your locks, always squeeze them out. Now look at the water. Oh. As you can see, the water is still dirty. I don't see much oil in there. But what I'm going to do now is continue and wash out my locks, okay? And I'll be back. All right, y'all, so I'm in the bathroom right now getting ready to set everything up. Now my shampoo of choice is my hemp shampoo. I've spoken about this in several videos. Unfortunately, I am not working with the company anymore, so there is no receiving any type of product code or anything for this, but you can shampoo it out with just about anything, okay? So I'm going to be working with that today, as well as the hemp conditioner, but you can use any good deep conditioning conditioner that's going to give your hair that hydration and moisturizations, okay? So let me get to washing this stuff out so I can color it, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I am back. Finished washing and conditioning my hair. Well, I didn't condition it, but finished deep cleaning it and washing it out. Now, like I mentioned to you, if you have color treated hair, it's best that if you're going to deep clean your hair with apple cider vinegar and baking soda, it's best that you do a coloring on that day, because it's going to fade your color. If you have colored hair, it's going to fade your color. It might even bleed out all of your color, leaving your hair very dull and not looking that great and vibrant, okay? So that's the time that I choose to recolor my hair. Please excuse the lighting in this, because the bathroom, I tell you, stick with me. I got a home sprucing up video coming, because there's a lot of things I got to do to this place to really get it to where I like it. And right now the lighting in the bathroom stinks. So bear with me, you guys. Now my color of choice is my old school, going back to the basics, Adore. Okay, now I have the Adore 70, which is the Raging Red, as well as the Adore 69, which is the Wild Cherry. So I combined these two, and I already have it pre-mixed in the bowl. But I want to show you what my hair color is looking like right now after the color, the deep cleansing. So let's see. Now you may not be able to tell much of a difference on camera, but I do right away. Okay, I see them little gray critters back again, because whatever color I did on my scalp that was deep color is now bleeded. Okay, it's faded. So all of the black in my roots is pretty much done, because I see those little grays again. And you really can't tell much of a difference on camera, because that's just how it is. But if you really look, okay, but my color is no longer red, it's more like of an auburn color, and no, we're not going to have that, okay? So I'm going to zhuzh it up, and I'll be back. Now please excuse me, you guys. I do not recommend that you do this because it will be very messy if you do. And only reason why I'm doing this is because I'm still unpacking and organizing. So a lot of my stuff is still MIA, okay? I gotta figure out where I put certain things, get used to where I put them, and find them when I need them. That's my problem now. So this is not the way you should normally start off coloring your hair. But I'll be back after I finish putting this into my hair. Alright y'all, so I am back. Now I know you can see the difference in the vibrancy of the color. Right now it's still wet because I just finished rinsing out the color. And let me put this here. So you can see my edges are very bright, which is one of the things I do not like when I color my hair. But I'm going to darken the edges a little bit with a little temporary spray until it fades out. But look at the color now. Okay, the color is so vibrant and red, and it's still wet, so you really can't see the brightness of it. But yeah, so I finally finished everything, you guys. I tell you, when it's wash day, it is a process, okay? When it comes to locked hair. And I'm sure straight hair, natural hair is the same thing. It's a process. So it's not just the 1, 2, 3 thing. It takes hours to do your hair. Right now my hair is wet and I don't plan on doing anything with it besides letting it air dry and probably do a little retwist. Not sure what I want to do, but I do have an event that I'm going to today, so yeah, gotta get this hair right. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys how I deeply clean my locks, removing all of the excess oils, everything else that I put in it throughout the week or every other week. And also it helps to make your locks lighter. So if your locks are getting very heavy, and that's due to the weighing down of the things that you put in your hair, the oils, maybe the butters, who knows what it is. But when you do a very deep cleaning of your locks, which, you know, if you use the apple cider vinegar and baking soda method, your locks are going to feel a lot lighter. It's not going to be as heavy as it felt when you had all the oils in your hair. So just keep that in mind, all right? So you guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family. And also, check out for more content on this channel. I know I've been MIA for a while, but a girl is trying to balance, okay? So thank you so much for joining me, and also check out my other channel, VelvetLox, if you want to try to lose weight, get your body detox, live a healthier lifestyle, and learn some tips and tricks on how to do that. Check out that channel. I'll have that link listed down below. All right, so until the next time, you guys, I will see you in the next video. Hey you guys, it's me again. I just wanted to show you, my hair is dry now and I'm near the window, and I just want you to see how vibrant the color is. Oh my goodness, it looks wonderful. Only thing I don't like is when you are coloring new growth, which is all around my edges because of those grays, that seemed to pop a whole lot more. So I tried to darken it down a little bit with a little black mascara. But yeah, here's my color, y'all. Look how nice and vibrant it is. I love it. I love it. All right, so that's the end of this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below, and if you want to see more hair care videos, stay tuned. I got a lot more. Okay, so until the next time, you guys, I will see you again in the next video. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up, that's great for the libido, that's great for the testosterone, that's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it. Okay, you're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel. Okay, so like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right, so until the next time, you guys, have fun. Okay, and I will see you in the next video.